Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. For this little project, we're going to be using this metallic pen, decorative garland, glue gun, foam ball, and a very skinny, I want to say it's 1/2 inch. It looks like 1/2 inch ribbon. So we're gonna start by wrapping the ribbon around the pen, and we're gonna be adding glue using the glue gun like in between, just to make sure that it holds. Once we get to the very top, we are going to secure that with more glue, like so. Be careful because the glue gun will be very hot. All right, and this is what it's looking like with the ribbon wrapped around. Next, we're going to use our little foam ball. We're going to make a hole in the bottom portion of it and make sure that our pen can fit in, like so, which it did. And then we are going to decorate the ball with this little decorative garland. I don't remember exactly what it's called. Now, first I started using the glue gun. In my brain, the glue gun would not work because the heat with that foam ball, was not necessarily gonna hold. But I did start putting it together to kind of just set it onto the ball. And then we're going to use two-sided tape. Because the tape is white, you don't see it anyway. So I started with the glue gun, and then I'm gonna use a two-sided tape to get it together. So the two-sided tape that I have is the little ones that come in squares. They're already in squares, so I'm just sticking this on here and then wrapping it around to kind of cover the ball. I'm also going to be putting two-sided tape on the top of my pen here and some glue gun underneath, just to kind of hold it firmly in place. And then I'm gonna find the hole that we made earlier. We're gonna put it inside, and literally, guys, that's it. Bougie on the cheap. Bougie on the cheap. It's very pretty, and it's going to add a little glam to the Sweet 16 party that we're having for my niece. This is what it's looking like, guys, so far. It's really cute. I did cut the edge off the pen, the holder, and that's what it's looking like. And this is how we used it at the party. So if you're having an event coming up, this is something you could try.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.